Welcome to this complete guide to Adobe Firefly. In this video, I'll show you how to use Firefly to create and edit AI-generated content, even if you're completely new to it. First, open Adobe Firefly and sign in with your Adobe account. Once you're inside, you'll see different AI tools and creative options. The exact tools available can change over time, but the main workflow is simple. To create an image, start with the text-to-image feature. Enter a clear description of what you want to generate. For example, you could type, "A realistic modern city at sunset with dramatic clouds and cinematic lighting." Firefly will generate multiple results based on your prompt. You can then adjust the results using options such as aspect ratio, visual style, lighting, color, and composition. If you like one result, you can download it or continue editing it. Firefly can also help you edit existing images. Depending on the available tools, you can remove unwanted objects, replace areas, change backgrounds, or expand an image beyond its original borders. For better results, be specific in your prompts. Describe the subject, environment, style, lighting, camera angle, and overall mood. Finally, review your generated content. Make